On this new short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix login problem on your Instagram. First thing, open the settings and go to the apps. When you find the apps manager on this page, all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds. After that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now click here on the internal storage or the storage. It will take you to this page. You will find all the number of the data that you have. Click on clear data and click delete. Click on clear cache. Go back, click on the notifications management. Now all what you want to do is make sure that every notification here is enabled. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure also that all the permissions are enabled. And the last thing you want to do is update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store and turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel.